Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. January has been an incredible month filled with exciting programs that shaped both the young minds and dedicated teachers. We kicked off the year with the Holiday Robotics Camp, a hands-on learning experience that introduced students to coding and robotics. This 2-week immersive program brought together students aged 6 to 18, sparking their curiosity and passion for technology. The camp aimed to provide practical STEM education, fostering problem-solving skills, creativity, and teamwork through real-world applications of technology. One of the highlights of the camp was the final showcase, where students presented their projects to an audience of parents, funders, and mentors. It was a proud and unforgettable moment watching these young tech enthusiasts confidently demonstrate their work. Following the camp, we seamlessly transitioned into the training of teachers. Over the course of the week, teachers engaged in interactive sessions, group discussions, and hands-on exercises focused on enhancing classroom management, implementing innovative teaching strategies, and integrating technology into their lessons. Emphasizing a student-centered approach, the workshop encouraged educators to create more dynamic and interactive learning experiences. From students programming robots to teachers refining their teaching methods, January was all about growth and impact. Let's take a look at some of the interesting behind-the-scene highlights from our January activities.
Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to yet another learning video in our series about logic gates.
At first glance, 2025 might just be like another number on the calendar, but when you dig deep into the math behind it, dig deep, where did deep come from?
But first, let's talk about weather instruments. These are tools that help us tell... Measure.
I'm okay, I just want to be surprised.
You want to be surprised? I'm surprised this sleep.
This stick is going to act as a pole to hold the windsock up. This stick is going to act as a pole to hold the windsock up so that we can place it in an open space to test it later.
A perfect square is a number that is expressed as a multiple. No.
Okay, our next game is musical brooms, and each contestant who misses a broom will be taken out. Jeremiah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, there is next time. Jeremiah, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, that's it. You go with your broom. Yes, yes, yes. Adelea, please take your broom. We are going to make it quicker.
Thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.